Welcome guys, this is the new episode. This is going to be for all you new realtors, meaning that you are now licensed real estate agents. However, you are not technically considered an agent, but you are a licensed advisor for real estate. Now, you already know in your class you were taught you have to join a brokerage in order to be a real estate agent. The biggest advice I can give you is to shop around. Everyone knows a realtor, every realtor knows a broker, everyone knows a broker. Simple. Everybody wants you to join their team because brokers profit off of real estate agents. Being a new agent, the biggest thing that you want to look for is training, the platform. Don't worry about the splits. You're going to make money as long as you learn how to train first. The knowledge behind real estate and being a real estate agent is way more important than the money that's going to come. The money will come as long as you know what you're doing, how you're handling your clients, how to handle the paperwork. These are very, very important details to manage before you even think about where your splits are going to come from. Honestly, when I first started, I knew a broker. I joined their brokerage. I didn't shop around, and I honestly wish I did. There were initiation fees and things like that that I thought were just universal and every broker does it, but it wasn't the fact. It wasn't the truth. Shop around. You're going to get a ton of calls from EXP, just to let you know. They love calling me. I get a call at least 3 times a week for them trying to recruit me. They have a really big recruiting platform. So talk to them. Talk to Remax. Talk to La Rosa. Talk to any and everybody you can before making a decision. Because the biggest thing you need to do is learn who is going to train you. Training is everything. There's so many agents every single day graduating these classes, coming out and thinking that they're going to make $1 million and it's going to be so easy. This is one of the hardest industries to master and as well as to get into and really grow. 90% of real estate agents who graduate end up falling off because this is a part-time thing for them or they're just doing it for the money. If you're doing it for the money, please don't do this industry. We are in the people business. We help out everyone. We help families get their dream homes. We help out investors find their next investment. We help out renters find their next home while they're moving from state to state so that way they can figure out where they want to plant their feet. We're not in it for the money. We're in it for the people. Real estate is a people business, and that's why Zillow fell. Just saying. But I'm not going to touch bases on that. That's for another video. We are in it for the people. If you're in it for the money, you're going to have what they call green breath. That means your clients are going to know that, you're just trying to sell them the biggest house and you're not really looking at it for their best interest. For instance, I took a house that for my clients put a contract on and the commission was 1%. That's like bottom of the barrel. You're barely giving anything to the realtor for all their time and effort and work. Because remember, we don't get paid hourly. We only get paid off of what we close. And if we're not closing, we're not making money. But I was in it for my clients. And that's at the bottom line. If you're not in it for the people and you're just thinking that, I'm going to come in here and make a lot of money, honestly, find something else to do. Go into flipping houses because this isn't for people who just want to make money. Yes, there's a huge perk in real estate of making money and being highly successful, but you have to be in the people business first. So that's going to wrap up today's episode. I just want you guys to know, 1, shop around for brokers. Look for training. Figure out who's going to train you the best and who's going to put the most dedicated effort into making you the top-notch agent that you want to be. And remember that this is a people business. You're going to make a lot of money in it, but first, you got to learn how to be a people person. Because if you're not going to succeed. Signing out, guys.